Okay, I am back at some familiar units, which I filmed not too long ago. Just thought I'd stop by for YouTube's sake and film them again. This is a 1996 Lennox heat pump with a Bristol reciprocating compressor. Train Odyssey, Curie Gemini. This one's from 2004. And a Bryant. Don't know if this one's a heat pump or not. It's running in cool mode. See if I can get a good look at the data sheet. I mean, I wish I could tell if it's a heat pump. I really don't know. This one's from 2005. It's a 15-ton unit. And I've always wondered, what kind of compressor is that gray painted? Looks like a faded version of the original red Climatuff. Yeah, it's got a Bristol reciprocating. That's gonna sound real nice going in the defrost. Yeah, nothing over here is running. Train XB13 heat pump right here. This one's got dual filter dryers. This is a two-stage unit. I think these might be two separate heat pumps. This one's a newer one from 2014. This one's a 2013. This one I forget. This one's 2013. Just shut off. Let's see if we can get a look inside. And I believe this one will be a straight cool unit. Not 100% sure, but I believe this one's a straight cool unit. It's got a Midwest disconnect box. Can't see too well down there, but I think it's a straight cool unit. It's got a Bristol reciprocating compressor. Don't know what kind of fan motor it has. Yeah, that is a 1989 Bryant. Said it was a 3-ton last time, but looks much smaller than that. That might be a 2.5-ton, but not sure. No, that's a 3-ton. 36 in the model number is what I see. 3-ton, 36,000 BTU, 1989 Bryant. yeah. I guess out.